All right, today we are at the long-awaited, the highly rumored, the highly Googled and stalked online, the lineup at Wai Kai, and we're gonna give you a first look behind the scenes at this brand new surf park that's coming and all the things with it. There's restaurants, there's venue spaces, there's coffee, there's booze, there's food. It's so good. I want you guys to see all the things. Let's go. All right, welcome to the lookout. This is the upstairs portion right above the surfing area. So we get an amazing view as we look out to the ocean where we're able to watch the surfers, we're able to see the lagoon, and you're able to see the ocean. I'm so excited to come here for sunsets, but let me tell you about the concept here, right? It's not your average restaurant. So what are we looking at? We're looking at a little bit more casual, but it's gonna feature breakfast, lunch, and dinner, different times of the week. Taco Tuesday, Wahine Wednesdays, Throwback Thursdays, Sunday brunch for sure. And really, there's so many different ways to use this space. So number one, all of these windows that we're seeing do open up completely. So we're gonna get full ocean breeze. It's gonna be beautiful day and night. And then what's cool is this is a great venue space too. So we're talking sectioning off different parts of the restaurant for different buyout options. If you've got a baby shower coming up, if you've got a bridal shower, you name it, birthday party, this is the perfect place to do it. And then fun fact, that big screen we're gonna show you that has all the panels, once we're active, this is actually gonna show us the live surfing as it goes on. Let's say you're surfing down below and the wifey's upstairs and she wants to watch her husband surf. Absolutely, you can do that. But then what's cool is like the surfer, get out of the water, shower off at the showers downstairs, 15 minutes later, come up and you can actually watch a replay of your entire 1 hour session. So super cool, I love this feature, but honestly, it's the views, guys. The views get it for me, and it's called the Lookout for a reason. So this is a great place to try. So one feature that the Lookout's gonna do, every Monday night, they're gonna be starting a show, like an actual theatrical show featuring people and actors on the wave at night, which is really cool. It's kind of their version of a luau. It's gonna be seated dinner, but it's not a buffet. It's gonna be served seated, family style, and you get to book by table. So there's gonna be tables of 4, 6, 8, and 10, and so you can just come with your friends, have this amazing family style meal, and get to watch this journey of a man from Tahiti and bringing surfing to Hawaii and how that has played out. It's a really cool historical act, basically. It's gonna happen at nighttime on Monday nights. So I'm excited to see how that comes out. I can only imagine it now. It's dark, the wave, and then we have like ambient lighting and music, and it's a whole production. So that's gonna be super cool to bring. All right, so next let's talk about the obvious, the lagoon, right? So Wai Kai Lagoon, it's huge, first of all. Like a lot of people don't realize how big this is, but there's so many activities to try and check out. So one of those things is gonna be stand-up paddleboarding. You can kayak, there's a 6-man canoe. There's these aqua banas that you're gonna see, which are these floating cabanas that you can paddle out to. There's pedal boats, so many different things, but you gotta play here. Like the whole point of the lagoon is to get in the water and play with your friends and really bring out that inner child again, right? This is the whole point. You're gonna see these loungers behind me. They're beautiful, but they're specifically for the private club. And so we're gonna talk about that a little bit later, but big draw here is definitely lagoon. Go out onto the dock, rent some gear, and just get on the water. Another bonus feature is how you're actually gonna pay for things, right? So normally when you're doing water sports, you're not gonna have your purse everywhere or your bag and your duffel and like your towel. It's just too much to carry. So what they've done, they really thought this out. There's locker rooms right behind me. And then what they're gonna do is sign up with this. It's all digital. Just enter your credit card information there. They're gonna hold that, put your stuff in a locker, and you're gonna get a smart wristband. And that wristband's gonna enable you to pay just with a tap. Reserve a kayak with a tap, get a beer with a tap, log in for your surf session with a tap, and it's just so convenient with the wristband instead of having to haul this stuff all around with you. So let's talk about the obvious, right? How do we actually get on the wave? What does the reservation system look like? How much is it gonna cost, right? That's the whole point of really coming here, is to feature this really cool man-made wave. So it's gonna be about $79 for a one-time Kama'aina rate, which is for 1 hour, right? And so when you think about it, there's other surf parks that are $150 for an hour and up and up. So it's a really great entry point to try it out, but we always recommend don't just get one, get multiple. And what's cool is you can do a 10-pack that's not just for you. So if you buy that 10-pack, you can actually use it for your kids, for your spouse, like it's all interchangeable within your family members. So get the 10-pack, come back, use it all year, however long it takes you to use it up, but that's the best bang for your buck, is to get this 10-pack for $3.90. Just a tip here, since we're next to the lagoon talking about rentals, right? We're also recommended that if you're gonna come and rent something, do it in advance. Get your surf session booked in advance and get your rental that you want for the water booked in advance, because if you come day of and you try to reserve it, it's really whatever's left and not reserved, so you might not always get the best reservations. All right, so one of the bonus features of this place is right behind me. It's the Nalo Club. So what this is unlike most attraction and amusement parks, you're gonna have kind of grimy bathroom. After you get out of the water, wherever you are, let's say a theme park or something, you're sharing it with everybody else. But here you can be one step above the rest by paying a low monthly membership, and it's going to give you access to this private club. It feels like a spa. You come in, there's reception, there's a waiting room. The bathrooms have extended, beautiful showers, and I just tried it and looked in there. There's a Toto bidet toilet for all the toilets. So it's really clean. It's just a calm atmosphere. And so if you want to swim in the morning or canoe in the morning or something and then jump in here right before work, grab your coffee at Foam and then head out, you absolutely can. It's awesome. So one last thing before we leave this little lower deck area is obviously to talk about coffee, right? We all need a good coffee every now and then. So Foam Coffee is gonna have coffee in the morning, and then in the afternoon it's gonna feature cocktails, but they're open from 7 a.m. starting. So really you can come here, have your business meeting if you want, bring a laptop, sit by the water. It's so beautiful, and I'm so excited to try their creative concepts, but this is not your average Starbucks, so we're going above and beyond, and I'm so excited to try Foam. Another bonus feature is right behind me upstairs is the Sessions retail shop. So this is going to be everything top to bottom, from your hats, your jackets, your shirts, probably swimsuits and swim trunks, but it's going to be specific to Wai Kai retail. And then they're going to have all of the sustainable lines from brands like Ruvka, from Billabong, from Roxy, you name it. But really sustainability is the mission here, and making sure everything that they're doing from top to bottom is sustainable. All right, so we just wrapped up this amazing tour of the new lineup in Wai Kai. I'm so excited for you guys to check it out. If you're planning a visit to Oahu, you're definitely going to want to try it. So come on, check it out. I'm going to have more information in the description below, and we'll talk soon. I'll see you soon.